pulling back from 9911 Triton Drive Northwest. Yeah, it broke. I put that. It was an ABS cap, so I put that deal and it just lifted the knob off. So I'll have to run and grab you another cap real quick. But your line looks pretty clear. I ran out to 100 feet. I didn't get to the main, but there's a tiny amount of little bit of roof in there, like not much, not anything I could be able to get with my cable.
There's really no trees along there.
Yeah, that doesn't, I mean, you'd be surprised on it. I've dug 30 foot deep in the middle of a 4-lane highway, and there's still roof on the line, so. But, it's pretty clear. There's a long run of cast iron.
Yep.
But there's no roots in there. I mean, that's just...
Yeah, a lot of that I think is running underneath the garage.
Yeah.
Yeah, I don't think that cap has been off since it was camera when we bought the house 14 years ago.
Yeah. Yeah, I mean, that's what most of your line looks like.
Okay.
Yeah, it's pretty clear. I mean, I think you're...
So the issue must be somewhere between that sink and where it connects to the main line.
Yeah, which it could be, it's cast iron pipe, and there's, I mean, how often does it happen?
Oh, I don't know, maybe a couple times a year.
Oh, okay. It could be just that you have this, cast iron, and
it's just not, too much is going in all at once.
Yeah, it's
dishwasher's running,
cast iron.
in the shower.
You get the rust on the inside, and stuff will hang up.
That kind of looks like what comes out, too.
It's like rust and stuff, or up through the thing.
Yeah.
Kind of like dirty water, like brownish. Yeah. And it looks like you got pretty minimal grade too. I mean, you're not holding anything, but it just looks like it's not screaming. That's how you get the. If you want, I can have a project manager follow up, and he has a camera that's longer. Mine's only 100 feet.
No, that's fine.
Okay, no worries.
100 feet. Well, you get it pretty darn close.
Pretty close, yeah.
Yeah.